Keeping your vocals healthy is key to hitting those high notes and expressing yourself through song. So, let's dive into some bad habits that can wreck your voice. Skipping warm-up. This leaves your voice tight and prone to injury. There are tons of vocal warm-up exercises online, so find some and make it a routine. Singing strained. Pushing your voice to hit a note outside your range is not good. Focus on singing comfortably within your natural range and let your voice develop its strength. Forcing powerful notes. Belting needs to be done properly. Don't force power by squeezing your throat. Instead, engage your diaphragm for breath support and let the power flow naturally. Singing sick. Your vocal cords are already irritated, and singing can make it worse. Rest your voice and let yourself heal before belting out those tunes. Yelling and screaming. Yelling strains your vocal cords just like singing. Avoid yelling at concerts and save your voice for the good stuff. Dehydration. It dries out your vocal cords and makes them more susceptible to damage. Keep a water bottle with you throughout the day, especially before and after singing. Throat clearing. Clearing your throat irritates your vocal cords. If you feel a tickle, try sipping water or a gentle swallow. Consider using a humidifier to soothe dryness. Let Singorama teach you how to sing properly. We're your personal vocal coach every step of the way. Find out more in the link of the comments or description below.